So here we've got two 3D lines, and this time they are skew. So what does this word skew mean? That actually means they don't intersect one another. So I've got one line that's going across like this, and I've got another line that's maybe coming underneath it like this, and it means that there's no intersection point. Now, how can we show that? Well, what we're going to do to show that, we're actually going to look for an intersection point. Okay, and they generally tend to be similar to this. So similar to the one we did before, we'll set up an equation with x. So in the x coordinates from line 1, we've got 1 plus 2s, and that equals minus 1 plus t. So when we rearrange that, we've got 2s minus t equal to negative 2. And we'll do the same for y. So we've got 4 minus 3s equal to 5 minus t. Let's rearrange that. So that will give me 3s minus t, and that gives me minus 1. Now, if I've rearranged those correctly, I'll take the second one, take away the first one, then that's going to give me s. And minus 1 take away minus 2 is 1. So s is 1. And if I then work out what t is, and t will be 4. 2 minus 4. Yep, that works out correctly. Now I'm going to go through and work out the points for each line. So for L1, I'm going to use s equals 1. So I'm going to have 1 here plus 2 here. That's going to give me 3. Then I've got 4 minus 3, giving me 4 minus 3 gives me 1. And finally, I've got 3k plus 1. That's going to give me 4. So that looks like the coordinate where they would intersect. I'm going to do the same for line 2. And I'm going to make T4. And when I make T4, I've got minus 1 plus 4, which is 3. Now you can see that that's the same coordinate as I had before. 5 minus 4 gives me 1. Now, at the moment, they look like the same coordinate. But when I come to work out the z coordinate, I've got 10 take away 8, which gives me 2. So here, I can see quite clearly that I've got two coordinates which are different, just because of the z number here. Therefore, the lines are skew. If they weren't skew, if they intersected each other, we'd have the same set of coordinates for a point of intersection.